Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Queen Sanity and today we're going to be making taffy grapes and strawberries. So you're going to need some honey roasted peanuts, some white chocolate, any brand or any one of those would do, some fresh strawberries, some green grapes, and some toothpicks that you can pick up from your local dollar store. So you're going to prep your fruit, meaning just make sure you rinse the fruit off. The grapes and the strawberry, that way you can have very clean fresh fruit. I got this fruit from Sam's Club, I believe. And then you're going to grab any bowl. It doesn't matter, a glass or plastic bowl, but you're going to be putting your honey roasted peanuts into the bowl and smashing them up. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can smash it up like I'm doing here, or my favorite way, I guess the best way for me, would be to just grab a Ziploc bag and go ahead and put the nuts inside the Ziploc bag, and then you're going to find something round and flat or whatever, something flat to smash the peanuts up. I just grabbed an empty salt shaker or whatever, and I just smashed it up. I would say this is probably your longest part of the whole entire tray, to be honest with you, smashing the dang on peanuts up. If you guys got another way on how to smash these peanuts up, please comment and let me know what I can do to smash it up like this. But the smaller the peanuts are smashed, the better your taffy grapes and taffy strawberries are going to come out, because it's going to be all smashed up. Now you have the white chocolate. You're going to put your white chocolate in a glass bowl. Okay, it needs to be a glass bowl because the chocolate will burn in the microwave if it's not a glass bowl. And yes, that has happened to me before. So super easy. Anyone can do this, guys. You're gonna dip the grape, put the toothpick on the grape, dip the grape into the white chocolate, and then you're gonna just dip it into the nuts. Oh my God, so easy. Anyone can do this. This is so fun, easy, great for parties. It's great for doing with your children. It's great. Let's say someone invites you somewhere and they're like, oh, bring a dish. This is nothing. It's not going to cost you nothing. You can save your coins. Everyone's going to love it. It's finger food, so people can just pick it up. No one's touching anyone's stuff. Coronavirus. So there's another way you can do this. You can just go ahead and there's your nice strawberry. That looks so good. You can go ahead and same exact way, take the toothpick, dip it into the strawberry grape, and you can use a spoon to make sure that you get all of the white chocolate covered like that. And there you go as well. Just depends on your preference. Now I will say, you see how the white chocolate is dripping? It is a little bit more liquid obviously than white chocolate would be because you microwaved it. So the main thing you want to make sure is that you refrigerate this after you're done for about 15-20 minutes, just so that white chocolate can solidify. So you want to make sure that it's staying on. But yeah, so easy, guys. Anyone can do this. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is the finishing result. Here are my taffy strawberries and my taffy grapes. I have made this numerous of times with my daughter and my niece and family members back home. When I went back home for 4th of July, they absolutely loved this. It was so easy, not very expensive at all to make. So there you go, your perfect taffy grapes and taffy strawberries. Let me know if you guys do this, and let me know how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye guys, until next time.